Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert YouTube video on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After open the PowerPoint, just open any blank document. Now you have to open YouTube. Just open up Chrome browser and then open the video that you want to insert on the PowerPoint. After open the YouTube video, just click on share option, and here you can see copy link option. At the bottom you can also find start at option, and if you check this option, then you can add your video starting time on PowerPoint. Suppose if I type 10 second, now the video will be play from the 10 second on the PowerPoint. Now just copy your video link, and you can see link copied to clipboard successfully. Now close the window and open up PowerPoint again. Now just click on insert tab, and at the bottom on the media option you can find video, then just click on video. Now here you can see three options: this device, stock videos, and online videos. You have to click on online videos. Now just put the cursor here and paste your video link. That's it. Then just click on insert and give it a moment, and that's it. You can see the video has been added or inserted successfully. You can also resize your video from here, and you can also change your position. And after insert the video, if you want to add thumbnail, just select the video. After that, click on poster frame, then choose any option. If I select image from file and then select stock images, and then choose any category and choose any thumbnail. If I select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see on the video thumbnail has been added successfully. Now if I select the video again and then click on playback tab, here you can find the option which is start, then just click here and you can choose any option. You can see in click sequence automatically, and another is when clicked on. If I select when clicked on, now if I click on video, and you can see the video is start playing from 10 second. That's it. And that is how you can insert YouTube video on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.